Good morning. Where are you, Mr. Finch?
Right here, Your Honor.
There you are. You need, you're in the courtroom, Mr. Finch. Consider yourself in the courtroom, Mr. Finch. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. You bet, sir.
No problem. Do you have an attorney, Mr. Finch?
No, sir, I do not. I've just been making payments. I'm almost done.
Okay. How are you doing on that? You keeping up?
Yes, sir. I 2/3 of the way through all of it, and it was pretty hefty at one
Very
point.
good. Then we'll see you in a month. Stay
Sounds
safe.
good, Your Honor. Thank you very much. Have a blessed weekend.
You too. 619-304 State versus Thomas Freeman. And we have Julia Hernandez, his attorney of record.
Yes, Your Judge, he is present and we're ready for a plea.
All righty. You'll be number one on the pleas.
Thank you, Judge.
619-849 State versus Jesus Lujano. And that is Cornelius Cox.
Yes, sir. I'm here. Jesus Lujano.
Mr. Lujano. All righty.
Yes, sir.
There you are. It just, your phone says iPhone.
I'm so sorry.
Your phone says iPhone, no name on it. We usually have names on here that I can see. All right.
Oh,
And
it's probably
Mr.
because I'm
No
at
problem.
the courthouse at the moment. I thought it was
Okay.
at the courthouse.
All right. Technically it is, but don't worry about it right now. I'm glad you're here. Cornelius
Yes, sir.
Cox, we have not heard from. Have you heard from him?
No, sir. I talked to his assistant yesterday. She
All right.
told me
Cool.
for my court date today.
All right, and he is aware.
Yes,
630,
sir.
thank you, sir. 630-763. State versus Kimberly Leal, and that is Martin Hunt.
Good morning, Judge. Unfortunately, I have lost contact with this client quite some time ago. I've spoken with her aunt. She doesn't know where she's at either. And also, just for the court's knowledge, I am relocating to the north of Houston in about a month. So I don't know if Patty can just go ahead and reappoint someone on this one, or if the court wants me to file a motion to withdraw.
Mr. Hunt, we will replace you. I hope you're going because you want to and not because of any kind of emergency.
No, absolutely not, Judge. In fact, my wife is beginning her career as a high school teacher and just got a job offer yesterday at the highest paying high school in the area we were moving to. So,
All right. Well, Mr. Hunt, I wish you good luck. You and your family stay safe.
thank you, Judge.
You're excused, sir.
Thank you. Take care, Judge.
You too. 630-896 State versus Nia Whitby. Cornelius Cox. I presume that'll be the same answer on him. Nada. Nia
Yes.
Whitby.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Ms. Whitby.
Good morning.
We'll have to wait for Mr. Cox to show up. 632-901 State versus Michael Yancier, and that is Jeffrey Martinez, attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mr. Yancier is present. We will need to confer.
Where's Mr. Yancier? Speak up.
It's on the
Wave your hand.
right top with mine with the plaid shirt.
Hey, Your Honor.
Hello, where are you? I don't see you.
Michael, can you just speak up for him for the judge?
Oh, yeah. Hello, Your Honor. Good morning.
There you are. Okay. Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Mr. Martinez,
Need to confer, Your Honor, if I may.
confer.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're number one for conferring. Thank you.
Thank
636-527 State versus Ricky Poole, James Hunt.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I don't see my client online, but he knows to be here.
All right, I'll just mark him absent at this point. Make sure you point him out that we mark him unabsent. Or
May
that is
I be
present.
excused? 226, Judge.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Be sure and report back, sir. 639-621 State versus Samuel Hernandez, Christopher Garcia as attorney.
Judge, I'm present. I did see him. There he is. He's entitled iPhone.
Hello.
And
Good morning,
Judge,
sir.
Good
All right.
morning.
Judge,
Mr. Garcia, what are you doing this morning?
the state extended an offer. We'd like to set this case for trial.
All right, set for trial. That is the final announcement.
Yes, Judge.
Okay, gentlemen, you are set for jury trial, and they will be going pretty quickly now. You are both excused.
Thank you, Judge.
650-379, State versus Selene Hernandez, and that is Marisa Ayone's attorney.
I'm present on that, Judge. I do not see my client this morning. She does have notice to be here. I'll try and get in contact with her to make sure she logs on.
All righty, I'll mark her not present at the time. Let us know if you find her.
Thank you, Judge.
650-833, State versus Samantha Chavez, and that is Edward Piker.
Judge, his office called, said that he was in the 186 this morning, would log on after that.
All right. How about his client? Ms. Chavez, Samantha Chavez.
I'm here.
There you are. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Did you hear my coordinator? Your attorney is aware that you're here. He's in a felony
Okay.
court. He's in a felony
Will he
court.
contact me to log back on?
He'll be, no, you have to stay on.
Okay.
He will come in sometime later this morning because he's in a felony court, which they take precedence. At least they think so. All right, scheduled for 10:30 this morning, 652-819, State versus Diana Lucas, and that's Linda Corley is the attorney. Neither one is
Yes.
here now. Oh,
Yes, I'm here, sir.
Ms. Lucas, you're scheduled for 10:30. That's why I called these, even though they're scheduled later. You're aware that it's at 10:30, ma'am?
She's, no, it was scheduled from 9 to 10. The lawyer called me, or she's in another court, but she said she was going to send another attorney.
Okay, well, we are here and I am noting that you're here. We'll try and find out what's going on, but we'll take care of that. I
Okay, thank
appreciate you
you.
being here. You take care. 656-064, State versus Leroy Pesina, and that is Ivan Barrera, his attorney of record.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm present. My client is present too, Your Honor. He's with me in the office. He's right there.
Alrighty, very good. What are you doing this morning?
Judge, we'd like to confer with the state.
All right, you'll be number 2 for conferring this morning. 656-334, State versus Joe Morales, and that
Good
is
morning, Your
Rolando
Honor.
Arguellos.
Good morning, Judge. He's present with counsel, Your Honor. I was unaware that we had a 10:30 docket, but we're here and then we can confer with the state.
No, this is the 9 o'clock docket.
Yes, but you were calling the 10:30.
No, I called the previous one was scheduled for 10:30.
Oh, got it. My apologies. But yes,
But
Judge,
the reason I called him is precisely why I did. The lady did answer. She is here, but it's a 10:30 docket. We'll see what happens. Now, in yours, what are you doing, Mr.
if I can confer with the state, Judge.
You'll be number 3 for conferring, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. 657-432, State versus Mario Ramirez, and that is Monica Guerrero.
Monica
the judge.
Guerrero asked me to appear. Joseph State's in here, and Mario Ramirez is in the courtroom.
Joseph States, you're here?
I am.
Yes, sir. He's in the courtroom.
Okay,
May I confer with the state on this case?
of course you can. And you'll be number 4.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Six five seven 537, State versus Ralph Resendez, and it's Tanya Rivera's attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tanya Rivera for Mr. Resendez. I believe he is on here on the Zoom.
You believe she's what?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I also have a couple other court settings this morning. I believe he is here present on the Zoom. I don't see him, but I spoke
Ralph
with him
Resendez?
yesterday.
Ralph Resendez. Mr. Resendez, speak up if you're here or on the internet.
Okay,
When I'm
Your Honor,
marking-
let me reach out to him to see if he's been able to log on. And
All
so
right,
he
I'm gonna-
usually, Your Honor, he usually comes in person. He's the man in a wheelchair who's been here on 2 previous occasions, but we thought it was going to rain this morning, so he was going to do his best to join on Zoom. So let me reach out to him.
Let us know if you get him on.
Thank you, Judge.
657-654 State versus Christopher Dominguez. That's Raimundo Aleman.
Yes, I'm here, Judge, but I have no idea where my client is.
I'm right here, sir.
Where have you been? I've been looking for you. They never send me your address or your telephone number.
Okay, gentlemen.
We will confer, Judge.
Mr.
We'll confer.
Dominguez. All right, I'm gonna make you number 5, Raimundo. Mr.
Well, thank you,
Dominguez.
Judge. I'm
Mr.
glad
Dominguez,
I'm glad he showed up.
Mr. Dominguez, you need to stay in touch with your attorney and be sure he has contact information.
I've been trying to, sir.
All right, 658-200 State versus Evelyn Quiroga and Joe Stenberg. Joe Stenberg is not answering and his client, Ms. Quiroga, is absent. One add-on set for 11 this morning. 640-409 State versus Jacqueline Serna Estrada. And that is Sam Locke, attorney. Sam Locke, no answer.
11 o'clock, Judge.
Oh. Always ignore those. All right. Sam Locke and Ms. Quiroga set for 11 a.m. All right, that's the docket for this morning. If you thought your name should have been called or you weren't here at 9 a.m. when I called it, speak up, wave your hands, do something.
I just barely got on. I'm sorry.
And what is your name?
Evelyn Quiroga.
Okay, Ms. Quiroga, I just called yours and I think you're set for, oh, you are set at this time.
H2, Judge, at the bottom.
Right. And Mr. Stenberg, have you heard from your attorney, Ms. Quiroga?
I actually haven't heard from my attorney. I told him I didn't live in San Antonio and he was giving me a hard time. I was trying to talk to him and he just kept telling me he wasn't going to talk to me, that I needed to show up in person, but I told him I didn't have a ride over there to San Antonio. And he basically kept hanging up every time I tried to call. So when I called the courthouse.
Ms. Quiroga,
Yes, sir.
I don't need a whole story. My question was, are you in touch with your attorney? Apparently you're having problems being in touch. So I'll note that. We'll see what we need to do. So wait around. Let's see if Mr. Stenberg replies or shows up.
Okay.
Appreciate you showing up though on Zoom.
Mm-hmm.
Anybody else that was supposed to be here or expected to be called and didn't hear the name or didn't show up on time?
Judge, I'm here for Linda Corley on Diana Lucas.
Ms. Beza, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
Okay. She
And
is
we're set for
present
a-
now. Now, this was set for 10:30, but she is here. So are you guys ready on to plead on this?
Judge,
You know?
I'm ready. I'm not sure Mr. Endelman is.
All right. Mr. Edelman, are we ready on this plea on Ms. Lucas?
I don't
10:36?
know, Your Honor, I don't know if I had sent the documents to you or not, but I can do that in the next 2 minutes.
Okay, let's check it out.